everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. Hope you're having a wonderful Monday. I wanted to share with you guys my paper pumpkin. I got it, and I haven't done these videos in a couple of months just because honestly, you guys, I've just been too busy to get into my paper pumpkin kits, and so they've kind of been stacking up, and I know that's not the greatest thing in the world. I don't like not using stuff I'm getting, but that's just kind of been reality, right? So if you're not familiar with what my paper pumpkin is, I'm going to show you today. This is a cute little kit that comes in the mail every single month. You can get it a couple different ways. You can just sign up to get it. It's $20 a month. That includes shipping. Shows up to you. You don't have to think about it. Or you can get some prepaid options. You can get a prepaid 1 month and just try it out. You can get 3 months, 6 months, or a year. And right now is a great time to do that as we're ending celebrations, because when you do the prepaid, you can also get celebration items, which is really amazing. So I'll put a link in all the places, the YouTube description, the Facebook post, the blog post, of where you can get these and how you can get them. So just look in the appropriate places. And then I wanted to show you guys what it is. So this month is a special box. It's super cute, right? Because it is the 6th year birthday of Paper Pumpkin, which is crazy. I can't believe that Stampin' Up's been doing it that long. So always around this time of the year when it is the anniversary or the birthday of Stampin' Up, or of the Paper Pumpkin box, Stampin' Up always offers some free little something or another. And this month, the free gift for the birthday celebration is this super cute stamp set. How cute is this number stamp set? So I'm loving this, and I'm going to use it in so many different ways. I'm going to use it in my project life. It's just a great set. So you always get a stamp set and then a little Stampin' Spot. And the great thing is that you can keep these and continue to use them, and our re-inkers work perfect. So if you don't want to invest in the larger ink pads, these are great to have because they work just the way our regular ink pads work. So this is just a little thing saying that we got a free stamp set this month, which was really nice. So then inside your box, when you open up the box, you have a project that you can do. I'm going to set all this stuff aside. And sometimes it's cards, sometimes it's little treat bags or boxes. They've had little mini albums. That was my favorite, was when they did in January. They did a mini album kit, and it was like a review of your last year. They've done little calendar kits. There's been lots of fun things that they've done. So you get everything to do the projects. Okay, so right here are the projects that you can make. I'm going to make one of the cards with you just so you can see them. And then I'm actually going to do something a little bit different with it that I saw. And then you get instructions. So there is so many different ideas and alternative projects that you can do. You don't have to just follow the instructions, but the instructions make it super easy to just pull this out and create your project. I also have a VIP group. It's an exclusive group for customers, Paper Pumpkin customers, and my regular customers. And I always upload a lot of alternative ideas for the kits in case you're wanting to make something different. And I'm actually going to make something different with this kit and just show you that because I saw the idea and I thought it was cute. So we have the instructions, and then we have all of the pieces. And the amazing thing about these kits is you get so many pieces for making different things that I always have so much left over. So we have these candles. Here is this is what we're going to use today. And this is for like the pop-up card. So you can see right here, it's like a pop-up card. And if you guys saw my Facebook Live where I made the shaker card and it fell apart, I think I'm just going to stick to real simple like cards. So what I want to do is, here's the card bases. We'll use the flags. Here's some numbers to pop out, some more card bases, more numbers, more flags. So what I think I want to use is, we'll do a card base, and then we'll do one of these. I think I'll do this one. And then we'll need an envelope. And then here's some other pieces and some adhesive. So you get everything that you need. When you get your very first kit, you get a clear block in the kit so that you have everything you need to do your project. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull a piece of my regular cardstock. I'm just gonna pull a piece of basic gray. Sometimes I like to add a little something extra. And I like to do a lot of cutting up of my kit because then you can make it last even longer. It goes farther. So what I'm gonna do is just cut this at 5.5 by 4 1/4. I'm gonna get a card front, and then I'm also going to grab a piece of Whisper White for a card base. And you don't have to do any of this. This is all extra things that I'm doing. You can just pull your kit out and make your stuff. I'm just, you know, doing some few little things extra. So right here, now I'm gonna take this and I'm going to cut this down to 4 inches by 5 1/4. And then while I have my trimmer out here, what I'm gonna do is, and then I might just have to do some trimming with my scissors. I'm not sure exactly how this is gonna go. I'm sort of winging it just from an idea I saw. So let's go ahead and fold our card base here, and then I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Use my bone folder here. So there's my card base. And then this is going to be my card front. And I'm just cleaning up the edges of my cardstock. I had a comment a couple weeks ago that, you know, maybe I should get a better trimmer. And it's not the trimmer that frays the edges like that, or it doesn't even, it's not necessarily fraying the edges. It's because I use my trimmer so much, because of the volume of things that I'm doing with my trimmer, and because I'm doing this as a business. So what I want to do is I want this cake to be on the edge. So I think what I'm going to do is cut these out. I have no idea if this is going to work or not, you guys. I didn't really look at the idea. Like, I didn't look at how they did the project. I was just like, oh, that's cute. I think I want to do that. Like that. And then there was candles, wasn't there? Oh, I don't think I could use it. It already has adhesive on it. Okay, so then now let's use this and the stamp set. I grabbed my circle stitched shapes and I did a Whisper White circle here, and then I want to do today, today we celebrate you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Stampin' Spot, and what I like to do is just slice it open here on the front, and then when you open it, if you leave this part on the back, then it's easier to not lose your lid. So we'll put this on a block, just stamp right in the middle of this circle. Just like that. And then I want to put some foam on the back of this circle, and then let me show you what I did with the card. And I want to add a couple things to the card, and then we'll be done. I just can't help but add stuff to these kits, even though you really don't need to. So what I did is I did go ahead and use the candles here. What I realized is when you pull them apart, first they're skinnier than they look, and then I just snipped them right above the adhesive that's already on there. So I added those to the top, And then we have this circle. And I'm going to put this right here. Okay, and then one last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Wink of Stella and I'm going to put some glitter on these, and then on the dark yellow stripe, and then on this blue. And then all I have to do is attach it to my card base, and I can just do that with regular adhesive. Whoops. And there is my card. So I really enjoyed making this with my paper pumpkin kit. If you would like to start getting these kits, I would love for you to join my paper pumpkin with me. Next month we have a really fun stamp set coming out. It is a line of stamp. It is one of our distinctive stamp sets, which is a really fun line of stamps that Stampin' Up! Has that are really fun to use. When you stamp them, they look realistic, and you don't have to do a lot of work to make them look that way. And that is what's going to be in our paper pumpkin kit next month, which is really fun. I can't wait to see what it will be. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and checking out my card today. I will be live on Wednesday and Friday of this week, so make sure you tune in over on my Facebook page so you can see some projects that I'm going to make over there. I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.